Got a new shipment in today. Got some new logos for my truck from Bill's T-Max. That's for my Daddy Tech Reviews, Go To God Gym, and I got a couple more new rehab decals for my truck. One for mine, one for Mama's, one or two for the kids' trucks. But yeah, I'll get these things slapped on and then I'll show you how they look on the truck. I'm going to show you how to put some decals on here. I was going to tack them on with what I've got on her truck right here already, but I think they'll be more effective on the back glass. I'm not sure how well it'll pick up, but I've actually cleaned the bottom half of both sides of these back doors. So you have to have it super clean because anything on the glass can keep these decals from sticking properly. And basically all you do is, well, pull the backing off of it and then line it up right on the door where you're wanting it to go. Now I basically just put the decal on the window here. It's not down at all. You take your little squeegee and squeegee it out like so. Go up and down, try and make sure that you got it, all the air bubbles and everything else worked out of the letters. Looks like that O is going to have some bubbles in it, but I've got a way to fix that too. It's not dirt in there, that's just little air pockets that are trapped. And then just ever so slowly pull it off, and there you have it. And like I said, the O's got some bubbles in it. You can try to work them out with this, but it doesn't always come out like that, and a lot of times they'll actually come back. Okay, I got these on here. On both sides. And I've also got the ones on one of the ones on the front. They're actually done a little different than the other ones were, but doesn't matter, it'll work still. And there it is, all complete. Took me 2 minutes to do that, maybe not even 2 minutes. But anyway, that's it. Thank you, Bill.